Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Kirana and I'm an 8th grader from SMP Negeri 3 Taman. Do you have social media? How much do you share in there? Well, I have a story full of messages for all of us today, and it's all in the tale of the nightingale, the forest singer. Amid the dark jungle and the fierce fight for food, however, there is a nightingale who always brightens the mood. The nightingale loves to sing and keep the forest dweller peacefully entertained. He mostly sings at night and he can sing for hours, even till dawn. Starry, starry night, paint the palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day, with eyes that know the darkness in my soul. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free when all listen they did not know how. Perhaps they listen now. Many animals in the forest then wait for the nightingale song every night after being tired all day. Among his admirers are rabbits, pangolins, mice, deer, crickets, sugar gliders, even squirrel and an owl. The nightingale sings stories about people in villages, animals that he has seen in distant places, even animal friends that he once knew. One day, the nightingale ran out of stories to sing. Then he got an idea. He started to sing about himself. Feeling that the nightingale had gone too far in revealing himself, an old owl, one of his loyal admirers, warned him. "Be careful, my dear fellow. Some animal other than us may hear your singing and get more information than they should. You could endanger yourself," said the old owl. But the nightingale didn't care. I'm just entertaining my fans. Besides, I'm safe up here, old man," answered the nightingale. Next, the nightingale, whether intentionally or not, revealed one of his secrets into the lyric of the song he was singing. "Do you know that my time will run out? I will close my eyes when the dawn is coming. Oh, it's time to waving goodbye, so here is my last song," said the nightingale. His audience applauded him, but the old owl shouted at him, "Hey, nightingale! Predators can find you easily. You spilled the tea too much, you fool." Shut up," answered the nightingale. In a few seconds, I will give my final beautiful melodies and say goodbye to my fellow admirers down there," thought the bird. Unfortunately, the nightingale was attacked from its branch. It all happened in an instant and bam! The bird fell and his audience ran here and there to save themselves. He was attacked by the fox who had been stalking him for the past few days. The bird was helplessly eaten by the fox. Poor little bird. And that is the fate of the nightingale, the night singer, the entertainer who had shared too much more than he should. The moral of the story is social media platforms have created a culture where oversharing has become the norm. Teenagers like us often post personal details, thoughts, and images without considering the implication. From casual tweets to Instagram stories or TikTok videos, they may have far-reaching implications like child abuse, child grooming, love scamming, kidnapping, phishing, and others. Therefore, it's crucial to educate ourselves about this risk and protect ourselves. I hope it enlightened us all. My name is Kirana. Thank you for listening.